Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you love sustainable fashion and thrift flips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today we're turning this thrifted scarf into an upcycled sheath dress. First, fold your scarf in half and grab a dress you love the fit of. We're using it as a pattern. Cut around it with about an inch or two of seam allowance. We want room to move, not a second skin. Pin the sides and the neckline. Leave space for your head to go through. Stitch it up. I used a straight stitch for clean edges. You can totally hand sew this too if you don't have a machine. And boom! Look at that transformation! I kept this scarf fringe to give it a little extra drama because why not? From secondhand scarf to slay all day dress, thrift flip magic right here. If you love this DIY, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more zero waste fashion hacks. And check out TailorSallee.com for custom pieces made from secondhand materials.